it's Michelle here from CNC Designs. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in New Zealand, and I just wanted to ask that did you know that the pet dies that go with the Pampered Pets stamp set in the new catalog cut out images from the designer series paper? So with this die set, you get 5 dies, which will match up nicely with the stamped images, so you can stamp and color those images and then use the dies in your die cutting machine to cut out the pretty cat and dog images from here. However, you can also use one of the dies to cut out the same little kitty cat from the designer series paper, and you can use one of the dies to cut out the cute little dog, one of the cute dogs from the designer series paper. And if you thought that was good, there's more. There's a little die that cuts out paw prints, and that's lovely because you can have little different paw prints on your paper. However, that die, if you have a close look at it, the center of the paw prints are little hearts, and those hearts can be used to cut the hearts out of the designer series paper. They go right over the hearts perfectly, and so you can cut out the hearts. Of course, you'd want to cut the dogs away from the edge, which I've done because I've fussy cut a lot of the dogs from here. And then the back side of this one has lots of little hearts. So again, you can use one of the little hearts, lines up perfectly to cut the heart out. And the back side of the cats have hearts and fish. And again, that die can be used to take advantage of cutting out those hearts. And so here is the cute little kitty cat that I can cut out. And then when you fussy cut the cats out of the paper, then don't throw it away. Use your paper and center it, the heart over there, and run it through your Big Shot to cut out little hearts. And so there you go. And if you want to have solid color hearts, you can simply use your Big Shot to cut them out of cardstock, just like I did here. So there I cut 2 sets of the paw prints out, and when I pop them out, as you can see, you're left with a whole bunch of little hearts. So you get 3 different size hearts for each set of paw prints. So hopefully I told you something you didn't already know, and I'd like to encourage you to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Watch more videos of Did You Know and other projects. I've just finished a project using some of the paper, designer series paper from the Pampered Pets set to make these cute, adorable little boxes. And the little hearts there by the cat came out of the paws, which I put at the bottom of the box. These little boxes hold a packet of tissue. So if you enjoyed that Did You Know, please give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more, come back to other videos, you can go to my website at michellecritchley.stampinup.net if you'd like to purchase any of these items and you live in New Zealand and you don't already have a demonstrator. And feel free to go to my papercraftaddictions.blogspot.co.nz to see various projects and instructions for things like this one for the little suitcase boxes using the Pampered Pets designer series paper and sentiments from the Pampered Pets stamp set. Thanks so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye.